Hello, dear children. Before we revise the strategies of addition and subtraction, let us first revise what is 1 more than and what is 1 less than, and 10 more than and 10 less than. For this, we will be using the hundreds board. This is a hundreds board, and let's select a number. Let's select 46. Let this be our number. So let me frame 4 questions for you. What is 1 less than 46? What is 1 more than 46? What is 10 less than 46? What is 10 more than 46? So let's see. We will go to 46. What is 1 less than 46? Like in the number line, when we are subtracting, that means when we are doing less than, we move backward to the left. So 1 less than 46 is 45, and in the same way, like we do in number line, what is 1 more than 46? That means we are adding, so we will move to the right, that is going forward. So the answer is 47. Now let me change my color to do 10 more than and 10 less than. Let's say, what is 10 less than 46? So we will go back because we are subtracting. So we will go a row back. So going a row back from 46, we will get the number 36. 10 less than 46 is 36. In the same way, I'll ask you the question like, what is 10 more than 46? You will go ahead 1 row. So 1 row forward you will go, so you'll get 56. So 10 more than 46 is 56, right? So let me ask you, select a number for yourself from the hundreds board and try to do a question about what is 1 less than, what is 1 more than, what is 10 less than, what is 10 more than. For all these questions which are coming along, pause the video and try to solve another problem of your own choice. All the best. Have fun doing maths. So the next strategy that we are going to explore is subtracting by counting forward. This we have done when we were babies. Let's see, your number sentence is 18 minus 12. 18, you have to take away 12 from the bigger number, that is 18. So let's see. Which one is the smaller number? Right. So let's start by 12 because this is the smaller number. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and we stop at 18. How many marbles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. If we take away 12 marbles from 18, we will get 6 marbles, right? Okay, class. So now we are going to learn a new strategy. It is called subtraction by using base 10 blocks and placed values. Okay, suppose your number is 53 minus 30. So there are 5 tens and 3 units. We are breaking the number 50 into groups of 10 and 1 like we always do. So 53 is made up of 5 tens and 3 units. The 3 units are here, right? So now we can also say that it is 5 tens and 3 units or ones. Some people say units, some people call it ones, right? Now let's take away 30 from 53. So how many tens are here? 3 tens. And how many units are here? No units. So we have to take away 3 tens. 1, 2, and 3 tens we have taken away. So how many are remaining? We can say 2 tens are remaining, or we can say 20 is remaining, right? 2 tens of 20. It is the same thing. And we have not touched the units, so units remain the same. So the answer is 20 plus 3 units is equal to 23. So 53 minus 30 will give you 23 because we took away 30 from 53. We will do a similar strategy by using place values. We'll take the same number, 53 minus 30. So the first thing is you write the place value on top. So you know that we start from the right side. So this is unit is 3 and 5 is the tens place, right? So once you have identified this, it's very simple. First we'll take away units from units. 3 minus 0 will give us 3, and we'll subtract tens from tens. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So the answer remains the same. 23 is your answer, right? Let's explore one more strategy, which is subtraction using number bonds. You have 9 lollipops. Let's write it over here. You have 9 lollipops, and a very hungry caterpillar comes and eats away 5 of them. So let's see what the number sentence would be. So this is your total number. You can say the whole number, and you have total 9 lollipops, and your caterpillar comes and eats away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So we have taken away 5, and how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. So we can say that the number bond of 9 is 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 gives us 9, and the other way around also. 4 plus 5 will also give us 9, right? So your question is 8 plus 7. Let's solve this question by making groups of 10. Okay, so let's explore addition by making groups of 10. In the first row you have 8 bottles, and in the second row you have 7 bottles. So because 8 is nearest to 10, let's make this a group of 10. If we take away 1 bottle from here and put it over here, and take 1 more bottle from here and put it on the first row, here it's going to become 10, because we know 8 and 2 make 10. So if on top we have added 2 bottles, so in the bottom row we have to subtract 2 bottles. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, right? So here it's 5, and 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, right? So now 10 plus 5, everybody knows it's 15. So now we know that on top we have 10 bottles, and in the second row we have 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So our answer is 15. So we can say that 8 plus 7 is equal to 50. So this was addition by making group of 10. Addition by making group of 10. Okay class, let's explore another strategy. This strategy is called addition by splitting. Okay, so your numbers are 15 and 33. 15 plus 33. So first step is to break the first number into 10 and 1, right? So 15 is made up of 10 and 5. Let's break the other number, which is 33. This will break into 30 is the tens, and the units are, you are absolutely right, it is 3. So now first step is to add the tens together. So the tens are 10 and 30. So 10 and 30 will be added together and we will get 40, and the units are 5 and 3, which added together will give us 8. So when we add both the answers like 40 and 8, we get 48. So 48 is the answer. So we can say 15 plus 33 is 48. We can also use a number line to carry out addition. To find the sum of 4 and 6, let's see. The numbers are 4 and 6. We start at the first number. So our first number is number 4. And the second number tells us how many times do we have to jump. Since we are adding, we are going to move forwards, or we can say that we are moving to the right. So how many times? Absolutely right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we moved 6 times to the right. And what number did we get? You are right. We got the number 4. Sorry, number 10. So we can say that the sum of 4 and 6 is 10. Likewise, we can do subtraction also using a number line. We subtract using a number line, we jump backwards, or we can say that we jump to the left. We jump once for every count. And likewise, I told you, the second number tells us how many times do we have to jump. So let's take the example 10, take away 6. So the first number is 10, so we start at 10. And the second number tells us how many times we have to jump. So it is subtraction, so we are going to jump on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number did we get? Right, number 4. So you can say 10 take away 6 is equal to 4. So this was a strategy using number line for addition and subtraction. Okay, now let's explore an open number line. Let's take a double digit number. Okay, so let's take numbers which are double digit. Okay, so let's take 23 take away from 67. Even if you don't know how to subtract by borrowing, we can do this using a number line. Let's see how do we do this. So first let's draw an open number line and write the smallest number at the left hand corner. So let it be 23 here. So at the beginning we write the smallest number and at the end we write the biggest number, which is 67 here in this case. Okay. Let's start by writing the multiples of 10 after the first number. So this is 23. So the next multiple of 10 would be 30. Okay. And we just need to write 4 numbers and the multiple of 10 just before 67 is 60. So we are going to write 60 over here, right? And now let's start making the jumps, which is the most interesting part of counting using a number line. One jump from here and one jump from here to here and one jump from here to here. So now let's see. Let's write the numbers we add from each jump. From 23 to 30 is we are jumping 7 numbers. From 30 to 60 we are jumping 30 numbers. Right? We know 10 more than and 10 less than. Okay. From 60 to 67 we are jumping 7 times. So now let's add all the numbers which we have written on top. That will help us get the answer. So 7 plus 30 plus another 7 would be, let me take another tool for writing. Text tool would be better. Okay, so we can say 77 plus 37. Next, you can count forwards. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So it's 44. All the numbers on the top when added together get 44. So we can say when 23 is taken away from 67, we get 44. 67 minus 23 will equal 44. Good. Now it's your turn to try. Well done, guys. Strategy. Subtraction by taking away 10. Okay, class. So your number sentence is 16 minus 8. So let the first step will remain the same like we do in splitting. Break the number 16 into group of tens and units. You will get 10 and 6, right? So your next step is to subtract 8 from 10 because 8 is your second number and you are going to get 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. And your second number, sorry, the remainder 6, that is the unit number from the 10 you will add to the remainder, that is